Hello friends, on Linux file system hierarchy. So what are the types of files which are present in Linux? We are going to see today. This all our files are present in the Linux root directory. Bin, boot is for boot files. All the files are divided in Linux. If there is boot files, it is present in boot. If there is some applications, executable applications, it will present in bin. If there is device applications, it will present in dev. If there is configuration files, it is present in ECT. So like this way, all the applications, all the related files are present in the same folder. So these are some folders which is created by the Anaconda. Anaconda is the program that installs our Red Hat. So this is the files that is present in the root directory of a Linux. Root is the home directory, /root is the home directory of the super user, /boot is the kernel image present in the boot. All the files which are related to boot the operating system will be present in boot. ECT files carry the configuration files of the system, and home is for the home. Normal user created will log in the home directory. MNT is for mounting purpose, and proc is nothing but a process folder for kernel use. Sys is the kernel view of the hardware, and dev is the special devices file. Means when we connect our pen drive or any drives which will be installed, all the files will be present in dev, and executable files are present in bin and sbin. Sbin is for super binary and bin is for binary. So this all files will be present in Linux systems. So today we are going to do one practical, and I am in the desktop directory of root user. So I have created one practical to do. I will create files and folders and copy and move them and also rename them. So this is the practical that we are going to perform. Dip is the department, HR is the branch of the department, and sales is the second branch of the department, and IT is the third branch. So we are going to create department, creating a folder. To create a folder, make directory mkdir is the command, /dep department. It will create department dep and / is the root directory. So we can see our department. It is created here. So if we want to go into department, cd is for change directory, department, and now we are in the department folder. So I am going to create HR, sales, and IT. And we're going to list. Now we are going to create a file. So to create a file we have three options: using cat, using touch, or using vi. So we are going to create empty file. Touch, HR, list of touch. And going to see listed. So file is created using the touch command. cd dot dot is to go back to the department, go back to the previous file. We use cd dot dot. I'm going to create a file in IT. You can use up arrow to use previous commands. And sales, now I am going to copy a file. Copy, give the location, sales, list to copy to desktop. So slash root desktop, and copy will copy it to the desktop. So if you see, this is the file. So when you want to remove some file or a directory, we have two commands to removing directory: rm remove directory, rmdir, which will only remove the empty directory. So it is not used for us. We are going to use rm root desktop and the list file. So it is going to remove. Now we will list it and it is removed. Now I am going to remove rm, f for forcefully, r for recursive, root desktop and department on the desktop. So it will not ask me confirm. Before it was asking me you want to remove it empty file or some confirmation. After using F and R forcefully and recursively, it will never ask you what you want to do. It will just remove the file. So we are going to see this. So dep is deleted, department from the desktop is deleted. Now I am going to rename the file. So to rename the file, mv is the command for move and as well as rename. So I am going to rename it. So rename it mv it to information technology and enter. Okay, information technology. Now we will list. It is renamed information technology. Rename and move command to move a file. I am going to move information technology to my root directory, roots desktop. So it will move listed. Now it is on the desktop, so cd/root desktop and then ls, and it is on the desktop. Move, copy and rename. So we have done the command move, copy and rename. So cat we have also done the practical for creating the files and directory. We use cp command, mv command, rm command. rmdir is for empty directory and it is not used more. To remove empty directory we will use rm. So make directory test ls and we will got test. To remove empty directory rm test and it will remove ls no test file, so it is removed. It will only remove empty directory. We have man page. Man is for manual, so we can study any command. So it is mkdir make directory. Use q for quit. Use rm to remove empty directory, and these are the options which we can use for our program. Means rmdir p to parents, verbose to diagnose. Thank you for watching my video. You can comment if you like the video.